There's hydrogen and helium and lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon everywhere, nitrogen, a food air, oxygen for you can breathe, and fluoride for your pretty deep, neon to light up the side, sodium for solid, magnesium, halogen and silicon, phosphorescent, sulfur, glory garden, potassium, calcium for you, which one's scandium, titanium, vanadium, and chromium, and manganese. This is a periodic table, a dual gas table. Alkalinity, reactor recipe. It's periodicity, laboratory, but whether moving to the right. Iron is a 26 nickel, but nickel coins we get copper, zinc, gallium, germanium, and ours. Room clicking at your house or room rubidium or strontium and yttrium, zirconium, niobium, adenum, dilithium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silver, organium, and indium, tin cans, xanthan, bonium, barium, and iodine, barium is 56, and this is very tablespoons full of food. I have just begun. Laphanum, cerium, and plesium, neodymium. Neodymium is next to promethium, then 62